Buying a home can feel like climbing a massive, intimidating mountain, full of confusing terms, endless paperwork, and the fear of rejection. The process is overwhelming by design, testing your patience, finances, and confidence. Lenders have strict rules, and if you don't fit their criteria, it's easy to feel left behind. But this isn't just in your head. Millions face these challenges, especially with today's tougher loan standards. Still, with the right information and a solid plan, you can navigate the mortgage process and take control. We'll break down the steps so you understand the rules and make smart moves toward homeownership. Knowledge is power, and today, you're getting powerful. Let's start simple. A mortgage is basically a special kind of loan that helps you buy a house, even if you don't have all the money up front. The home you're buying acts as collateral, which means the lender can take it back if you don't pay, but it also gives you a real stake in the property. Most people don't have enough cash to buy a home outright, so they borrow from a bank or lender and pay it back slowly, usually over 15 or 30 years, making homeownership possible for millions. Each monthly payment you make is split into two parts: principal, which is the original loan amount, and interest, which is the fee the lender charges for letting you borrow their money. The key difference from renting: with every payment, you're building equity, real wealth that belongs to you, not your landlord. As you pay down your loan, and if your home's value rises, your equity grows, giving you more financial power and options for the future. Unlike rent, which is gone forever and only benefits your landlord, mortgage payments are an investment in your own future and financial well-being. Don't think of a mortgage as just another debt. It's a powerful tool for building long-term stability, wealth, and even a sense of pride in your home. When managed wisely, a mortgage can be your ticket out of the cycle of renting and into a life of financial security and independence. Getting a mortgage is often the first big step on your journey to owning your future, creating a place that's truly yours. And you deserve to hold that key in your hand, unlocking the door to your very own home and a brighter financial future. When you apply for a mortgage, you might imagine a lender simply glancing at your paperwork and making a quick decision. But in reality, it's much more detailed than that. Lenders examine your finances under a microscope, looking for any sign that you might be a risky borrower. They focus on four main things: your credit score, your income and job history, the size of your down payment, and your existing debts. A strong credit score shows you pay bills on time and handle credit responsibly, which builds trust with lenders. Steady income and a solid employment history prove you can handle monthly payments and reassure lenders you're not a financial risk. The bigger your down payment, the less risky you look to lenders, and you might even avoid costly private mortgage insurance, saving you money each month. Lenders also check your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI, which compares your monthly debts to your income. If your debts are too high compared to your income, you're seen as a risk, since it could be harder for you to keep up with mortgage payments. Most lenders want your DTI below 43%, but the lower, the better. It shows you have room in your budget for new payments. Ultimately, lenders want to see you can manage debt responsibly and live within your means. So get your finances in shape before you apply, and you'll look your best on paper. Lenders don't always share their secrets. The first rate they offer isn't always their best. Shop around and make them compete for your business. Each lender may add stricter rules, called overlays, on top of official loan guidelines. So a no from one isn't the end. Private mortgage insurance, PMI, can add a lot to your payment and only protects the lender. Track your equity so you can remove PMI as soon as possible. Timing matters. Don't make big financial changes or take on new debt between pre-approval and closing. Lenders recheck your finances before closing, and surprises can kill the deal. Stay financially steady until you have the keys in hand. Want a lender to say yes? It's not just about filling out an application. It's about showing you're a responsible, trustworthy borrower. Lenders want to see that you're prepared and serious about this big step. Start by boosting your credit score. Check your reports for mistakes. Fix any errors you find. And always pay your bills on time, every month without fail. Keep your credit card balances low, ideally below 30% of your limit. This shows lenders you can manage credit responsibly. Build up your savings for your down payment and closing costs. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account, and look for ways to cut unnecessary expenses from your budget. Lower your debt-to-income ratio by paying off small debts first. Every little bit helps, and it makes your application stronger. Use the avalanche method to tackle high-interest balances. Focus on the most expensive debts to save money and show financial discipline. Don't take on new debt while preparing to buy. Avoid opening new credit cards or loans, and start gathering your paperwork, tax returns, pay stubs, bank statements, and any other financial records you might need. If you're getting help with your down payment, gather documentation for any financial gifts before you talk to a lender. Being organized and prepared makes you look like a serious, reliable borrower. Lenders notice when you have everything ready to go. The stronger your financial profile, the more options you'll have, and the more confident you'll feel. A solid profile gives you more power to negotiate better rates and terms. Preparation is your best weapon. Show lenders you're ready and you'll stand out from the crowd. When you're prepared, you make it easy for lenders to say yes, because you've already done the hard work. Confidence comes from preparation, so start now and take control of your home buying journey. Don't skip pre-approval. House hunting without it wastes time and sets you up for disappointment. Remember, the mortgage payment is just the start. Budget for taxes, insurance, PMI, and maintenance. Moving money around without documentation can raise red flags. Always keep a clear paper trail, especially for gifts. Don't be loyal to just one lender. Shop around for the best rates and terms. Even a small difference in interest rates can save you thousands. Avoid new debt or big purchases before closing. Overlooking these details can cost you your dream home. Be proactive, not reactive. You now have the roadmap. Home ownership is within reach. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon that takes patience, discipline, and belief in yourself. A no isn't the end. It's just a not yet. Owning a home means stability, equity, and a place that's truly yours. Start today. Check your credit, budget, save, and chip away at debt. Every step brings you closer to your front door. Be proud of your ambition. The American dream is alive for you. You can do this.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.